Hello, everybody. Welcome back to welcome to my first video. Today we're playing Don't Press the Button 4. So let's get into it. Get to the other side. Whoa. All right, now we can go. Darn pole. Oh my God. All right. Go. Wait, I should have went there. I should have went there. Darn it! Okay, let's press the button. I'll get on the pillars. I got the gem or whatever. That gave me 40 coins. Complete the obbies to build the snow. Hey, that's cheating, man. Darn it. Darn this. The snow, it's already built. Find the button. Reward coins. Where was it? Oh, it was right here. Oh, big brain, big brain. Got to the top. If you hear me eating on something, I am eating on something, so don't worry about that. Let's worry about this game. Ah. Where's the what? Why won't it shoot? I couldn't shoot. Something games won. What the? Ew. What? What is that? Feed the giant noob. Well, I'll do more than that. Woo! Woo! A bomb? Stupid! What do you mean, huh? What? A Wonga Bowler. Okay. I'll scoot to this side. What I do now? Oh. Are lucky or unlucky? Shoot. Watch out for spikes. What spikes? Oh. Uh-oh. Try to actually find one. See if it'll poke up. Ah! Darn it. And then I was trying to let the money flop all around, yeah. Oh, okay. We're dinos. Button presser. Yep, that's me. Now I'm not gonna make it, guys. Nope, I'm not gonna make it. Oh wait, there was some over there. Darn it. Yeah, over here. Oh. Only 3? What color is this? Oh, over here. Hey, I have the same thing too. Money! Money, 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 over here. Buddy, 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 buddy. What? They should go over here. Orange! Dang, only 2 seconds. It's red. Hey, all y'all get to keep the money. Hurry, reach the edge, okay? Ah, shoot. That was right there. I would have made it. Only some people reach the end. Y'all thought I was gonna go. I think we're safe on this platform. Hey, why is there a lot of money over here? Ah, shoot. Goodbye, buddy. Whoa, whoa! Darn it. Huh? Oh, money. I'm still the button presser. Ah, shoot! Ouch! Darn it! Dang. Dang. Okay. Hey, that was mine. Somebody has to show. Oh. Ah. Hey, I would have give you 1 billion Robux if you would have did that to me. How did she get up there? How'd they get up there? It's weird. I guess the pink side. I chose the right side. Yellow, I'll choose the green. This is my favorite color. I should have trusted green. Pretty sure the pink side can't do it again. Dang, there's a lot of money over here. Oh, green light, red light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. It's just right here. Green light. Woo! I made it! Woo! I already got 90 coins. Wow. Green light. There we go. I think we made the point. Wow. Out of the bay. Oh, this is going to be easy. What are we supposed to do here? Are we supposed to get to the outside, like that, the brown area, if you can see it? What's going on? Waste of time, I guess. Yes, I got it. Ah! Oh, good. Hey, that was my coin. Nope, that's... Stay away from the pumpkin monster. What pumpkin monster? Oh, that pumpkin monster. Oh, we can just go through it. Hey, I'll give you $1 million if you don't eat me, pumpkin monster. I'll give you $1 billion if you don't eat me. What the? Dang, I already got 105. See what I can buy. Dang, everything's... Hey, here's money. I want to get you. Here's money. If you don't give me, I'll give you $1 million. Well, I don't actually have $1 billion in real life, guys. But that was just a lie for him.
cheeseburger. 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 Cheeseburger.
The monster died. Can I have cheeseburgers too?
Cheeseburger.
Hurry to the ground. Oh, shoot.
Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.
Dang, I just made it right in time.
Cheeseburger.
Eh. This is my pad. No, this is my pad right here. My pad right here. No, my pad right here. No! Ah, darn it. What is that sound? Must be our annoying neighbors. That vacuum sound. We need them to stop because you know what I'm making by videos. Those cheeseburgers were delicious. Cheeseburgers. Actually, those cheeseburgers were delicious. Or whatever. It's called cheeseburgers. Hey, my coin. Don't fall down the lava. Don't fall down into lava. Oh yeah, that is lava, alright. That's annoying neighbors. Start it. Okay. Oh, it's getting faster and more boxes are forming. Okay, fine. Okay, there we go. I'll use my own imagination. Don't worry about the noise, guys. Neighbors. 3 players, 1. Dang. Yeah. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, shit! I thought it was going the other way! Darn it. Slide it down. First, let me have some pizza first. Okay, that's enough pizza for now. Woohoo! Yeah! That's it? I just slide down into death. That was weird and stupid. I just slide it down to death. Alright. The button. A button? What happened? We're on tight. Look at my phone. Look at my golden phone. It's in the ground, and look how big it is to me. Even this money. I'm as small as this money. Avoid obstacles. What does it mean, obstacles? What, that, like that, a rock that's come towards us? Oh yeah, on this tree. Yeah, that. Dang, it's going faster and faster, I think. Get away from that rock. Darn it, darn it, darn! I can jump that high? Yeah, you can jump very high. Tsunami. What? Why don't we go up this big crane? But where is the tsunami coming from? Okay, let's go up here. Oh, it's there. Yep, I'm definitely safe up in this crane. Hey, what are you looking at? Big. What the heck? Why does he have no clothes on? Bruh, I almost just fell there. Ow! Get to the top. Going to be at the top waiting for us. Well, nothing now. Darn it! Okay. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. We're at the top. Reach the button. Oh, reach the bottom, not the button. There's shakes and stuff. Oh, there's lasers. Dodge the lasers. We're at the bottom now. Dang. That's sick, kinda. Yay, there we go. There's the big pro. Bray! Whoa! Dude. They almost got me. Get to the end. Bruh. I'm getting this ruby first. Darn it. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to get that darn ruby. Oh, okay. I still reached the end. Get to the water. Dang, I'm on fire. Shallow over water. Ouch. Should be safe. I should be safe right here. Oh! Strong lightning. Oh shoot! I'm like dead already. Only one person remaining? How did they survive? Push off the lobby. Nothing? I'm making a video. Oh, there we go. Ice orb was pushed off. Ah. Okay, let's land on this cloud. Then land on this cloud. Then let's land on this cloud. Didn't let. What? Yeah, go back to this cloud. Land on this cloud. There's a door! Darn it. Dang, I already got 50 coins. Wonder what was at the top. Get ready for what? Ah! Well, are we on the moon? We are on the moon. Look, there's the Earth over there. Oh. Jump on the logs to reach the end. Oh, shoot. Darn it. Dang, that water does a lot of damage. Jump, 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 with the jump up, jump, woo, yeah, oh, jump, jump, dang, more, there's also less logs now, darn it. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Bam, with a bam, and a bam, with a bam, and a bam, with a bam. Woo, yeah! I made it just in time. Stay away from the red chocolate. Why do people keep dying for no reason? Ha! Oh! Only 4 players survived. Interesting. Oh! Bro. Ha! Huh. How'd that person climb up him? The heck? Well, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed it, then please subscribe. And also, 100 likes on this video, and I'll do a face reveal as a short. So, yeah. And that's it. Bye!